Okay, let's get started. I will give you just an introductory example with a pet accessory shop. Let's imagine that the shop has already gathered bunch of leads, bunch of emails, and now they would like to educate them. So, how it works is that a lot of people might be interested in your free content, but they don't still realize that they need your products. They might not even know what these products are for and not even know that they exist. So, in a way, by your email content, you can create demand, even for products that are not familiar to your audience. So, you must start educating them. So, in this example, I will say you can start by sending emails related to how to keep your dog disciplined, how to prevent your dog from getting fleas, why wearing an organic material leash. Let's say if you're offering that kind of leashes and you're explaining the benefits of them compared to the plastic ones. Then, what foods are good for your dog's fur? Like maybe you offer some supplements to have shiny dog fur, the top 10 dog toys. So there might be toys that people have not even seen before, and you will show them to them. But you're not asking them to buy straight away. In none of these emails, you should actually ask people to buy. You should just create free content for them, lead them to articles on your blog, show them video material, just send them just informational emails, and introduce them to all these features that you offer in your product. And only then you can ask them, how about buying something? And you can offer it on a special price just for people who are members, who've signed up to your newsletter. And then you have this kind of preparation. People already know you, trust you, they are educated about your product. And only then you can try to sell it to them. This is how it works. I will go into more detail in the following lectures.